Minister Khemchand has assured that those responsible for the Tronglaobi attack will be nabbed, while also expressing suspicion that the incident was a conspiracy by anti-peace elements. He was speaking at the inauguration of 3 water supply schemes and 2 community halls across various locations in the Langtabal Assembly constituency at Kokwa Narem Laikai, Pantobi Sanglen today. The event was also attended by Deputy Chief Minister Loshidiko and Langtabal constituency MLA Khemchand. Speaking further, the Chief Minister stated that the government has begun efforts to restore peace and normalcy in the state as desired by the public. He lamented that the Tronglaobi incident occurred despite the government's sincere efforts and reiterated that the perpetrators would be arrested. He also emphasized the crucial need for maintaining peace and bringing development, while noting that police were compelled to use tear gas to disperse crowds that turned violent. Khemchand asserted that he has advised security forces to exercise utmost restraint.
Community contractor na punna kundari ba Manipur se inna chikna potki production hai bataragadi Manipur ta kundami na diba ekoi masegi manakta phaminaraga wari saraga kudi amagi awat apa kaya rin lengkana rakanda thasa na tabla ibudu meka si haine khana rakanda tohan ba singi jagada ekoi punna satpa hogi aina yana hanba jiri bamda chachabada koi legidraba angang ani amadi even hum amaga legidaba tugi imungda sanga wari sanajara matungda margi timsa ama legidaba imungju sanga wari sai maduragi jiri da legiriba maitei singnau singdusu shanti pami haidana koi sarkar su mateng pangbiu tongan makalgi wari sanara matungda ani suboina jiri bam chatpada jiri bam da tariba community khudima magi mayunda loina hanjalaba matungda nusi na lemina hawi ko khwai dagi nuaijadaba point jiri dagi halakpa numit hek nongan la or male Tronglaobi da bom pokai na pikhrawa ngang sa ani legidaba sarkar semaning daba kanglup khara natraga sarkar semaning daba irang palma kanglup khara soidana tawngani haibasi sarkar ya sirpa thajabani soidana su phagani janmam su leite nusina ba horokpa wari sanaba horokpa pertuda adugumba irang thoalisi Manipur da irang pamba irang lerga sentaning ba irang lerga da makoi nugai ba dum kang ama oramgani haiba dum dei agi thamu ya sirpa thajabani sakhat pa lamdam ama oram na hona da shanti porakpanatna aidu option leite na agi thajabani.
Meanwhile, MLA Khemchand appealed to all concerned to stop politicizing issues at this critical juncture and called for peaceful dialogue to resolve problems, alleging that politicians and certain sections of the public started politicizing every issue as the state assembly election approaches. Khemchand also appealed to the people in his constituency to seek rationality and support the right cause. He also expressed hope that the newly inaugurated water supply schemes will go a long way in addressing the shortage of potable water in the constituency.
Laipaki lurba matamsida akoi masel se issues inje politicalize to humje problem thon humje ngarang ramesor gida thabak tawba kanda kairau kendri praja amata na tholaktana adu tawre ama taibi de even ato jaga da so honorable cm mayam ma chalga development tawdori ado honorable cm laga sida mla ga pulga makha taba development tawnana bokhana ba tawkhraba sing sangana bokhana ba sida langdabal kendri praja na warobam thokte Laipaki landi kuzik horen het loi hiroi maram maya mamalai adu solution taunana sarkar pariba honorable chief minister deputy cm dei matam khara lerga cabinet so expand tarpo yai adu imatungda lai pullaga lairiba akoi mayam se praja elected representative punna honaminarga Manipur ya punba saktam ngakpagaloinana santi laina hingba lamdam ama oinana honaba se akoi khuding maki mangda targa laiba thaune haidana akoi khuding mak khanba darkar lai hujikni election matam warpani na whole team politicalize hore ranti gi mieng da pusal lai ngangning ba pungang na ngangnare aduna di akoi santi laiba ngammoe